everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be revealing May's mystery kit. This kit is exclusive to our mystery subscription, so you will not find it in our shop. And really quick before I show you May's mystery kit, there are spots open now for our subscription, our mystery subscription, and if you've not signed up yet and you want to receive the next mystery kit, make sure to click the link below in the description. So there are 3 different mystery kit options that you can choose from. We have our standard mystery kit, our journal mystery kit, and our decorative mystery kit. And I'm gonna show you all 3 of them. But let's first look at the standard mystery kit. So for the standard mystery kit, as you can see, the colorway is like a nice red, blue, with some pink in there as well. The first sticker sheet that we have is kind of like the bonus add-on, where we have a couple of watercolor swatches, some dividers that have some flowers on it, and some other foiled items such as milkshakes, pies, hearts, cherries. And this is on washi sticker paper. So this is the first thing that's in the mystery kit for May. Next we have the full boxes. So if we're looking closer, it looks like there's a cherry festival going on. As you can see on this picture, the sign says that. Kind of like an amusement carnival stop situation. We have a Ferris wheel in the background. We have the beautiful flowers that are blooming, the reds and blues. This is like a yummy sundae in a cup, a fashion girl with some cherries. And over here, this is like a horse that you would find on a merry-go-round, fitting in with kind of like the summer cherry festival fair. And then an ice cream cone, another fashion girl that's at like a diner eating cherries. And then it looks like some cherry cola and pie and a big bundle of cherries here that are framed. The next page has our Monday through Sunday stickers and then the washi strips below. I'm loving the bows. I'm loving the mixture of the different colors on here. Next we have our divider page. So we have our scallop dividers, bow dividers, half scallop circle dividers, and then at the bottom we have some thinner washi strips. Then we have a couple of more full box pages. This one has cherry pie on it and it's foiled as well. And this is like a diner scene, the tabletop scene. This is a Monday through Sunday box for tracking things. And then over here, there are little like pieces for layering and framing in your planner. These are the heart date dots, the weekend script, and then a couple of other foiled overlays. Next, there are flags at the top, flag stickers, layering stickers, 3 bow checklist boxes, and circles at the bottom. This is the functional page. So these are headers that you can use, and in the middle, these are habit trackers. I love the foiled cherries on this page. Next, the headers and glitter headers, helpful for organizing your pages. So it's like to do today, meals, next week, work. There are the fashion girl boxes over here. They're all at the diner eating sundaes, some just cherry items. This is a nice pattern box and cherry on top. I like that box. And then icons and script on that side. So some of the icons are like an eye mask, a shopping cart, a planner, and then the script is like urgent tasks, read Amazon. And then lastly is the deco page. I'm loving this outfit here with the linen and then the bows over here for the shoulder straps. There are some like banners over here for like the festival theme, cherries. We have that horse again, sunglasses, super cute. So this is the standard kit for May's mystery kit. Now I'm going to show you the journal option. For the journal mystery kit, you get that same washi sticker paper sheet that I showed you earlier. And then the first page has the same full boxes that we saw on the standard kit. However, it's just smaller, it's shorter and not as wide compared to the standard. If you have a Hobonichi Cousin planner, these boxes fit perfectly in the weekly section. And then if you have a smaller planner, this would be nice to use. Then we have that same page for the Monday through Sunday and the washi strips. This page has torn edged sticker paper on here with the different patterns, which is very journalish-y. I love using these. Glitter headers, and then just rectangular boxes for writing in your own headers. A couple of bow dividers over here and half scallop circles. This is the foiled page where we have kind of like sticky notes almost, where you can write in it. You can also use this for layering, creating more dimension in your planner pages. And on the left side, there are the heart date dots, the weekend script, some arrows too. And again, the Fashion Girl page with the icons and script, sized down. And this is the deco page for the journal kit. And as you can tell, the deco is larger on this compared to the deco on the standard kit. This leans into the journal aspect of this journal kit. And I really love every month using these bigger stickers just because they pop out a lot and you can see more of the details with how big they are. So we have the cherry Coca-Cola, the ice cream, the horse for the merry-go-round, lots of goodies. And then the last page is the deco page that we saw from earlier. So this is the journal mystery kit. Lastly, I'm going to show you the decorative. The decorative mystery kit is on washi sticker paper. Again, it has that same bonus add-on item. And then let's look at the pages, the different pages. This first page is the box swatches page. There's the same artwork and scenes that we saw from earlier. However, it's on different sticker paper and the actual like stickers are more torn edged looking. They're not straight edged. The next page has some more swatches where there's a bigger scene here of that cherry festival outside that diner and a couple of fashion girls down here, short little washi strips, and then a layering piece. Then the next page is the mystery borders. So these are basically like washi strips, but the top is hugging the artwork and the bottom is a straight line. I love the blue and the red contrasting together. And then down here is a cherry cola and like the purse and like a basket of cherries. Then we have the decorative page here where there's the fashion girls and deco that we saw from earlier. This is the second deco page. We have that same horse again and other deco. It's just on another sheet. Next, this is the scripts and dates page. You have 2 weeks of Monday through Sundays, and down here are basically date dots with 2 different colors for the month, so you can kind of mix and match whatever colors you want for your spreads. And finally, the last page is the Terrible Washi. So the background has that red, blue, pink, white mixture, almost like brush strokes on there. And the overlay foil has cherries. And for this page, what you can do is you can go from the top, because it's already perforated, and peel the sticker off, and you can tear it in whatever shape that you may want to stick onto your planner or journal pages. I like to use this as a lot to like put behind deco and stuff like that, or to frame a page. So this is the decorative mystery kit. I recommend this if you like washi sticker paper and if you like more of like the free form stickers. So this is the mystery kit for May. If you do not want to miss out on the next mystery kit, make sure to subscribe today while spots are still open. I have the link below. Let me know what you think of May's mystery kit. I'm so excited. It's like perfect with all the fairs and festivals that are starting to happen now that the weather is getting warmer. If you're not subscribed to us, make sure to click the subscribe button below so that you can stay updated, and follow us on Instagram at DEK Designs. I hope that you all have a fabulous rest of your May, and I'll see you again next time. Bye, everyone.